Hi, my name is Emily. My business is M's Woodwork, and this is my son Benito. And I specialize in live edge and epoxy furniture, anything from like dining tables to as small as like charcuterie boards or coasters. And I'm located in Valley, Nebraska.
So why you stop by Rustic Lumber Store? Why do you come visit us in old Louisville?
Well, you guys have some amazing like services here, and you're always just really great to work with. Like your slab flattening machine is incredible. The fact that it flattens and sands at the same time, I just love that feature. And then also just the different products that you guys have in your new kiln. It feels like a one-stop shop that we can get lots done here, and like I said, you guys are awesome to work with.
What's your favorite slab or what species to work with?
I love to work with like Perota or Monkey Pod. And then domestically, I like white oak or black walnut.
Well, go ahead and tell everybody where to find you again, and socials and all the above.
All right, so you can follow me on Instagram at M's Woodwork or Facebook, also at M's Woodwork. My website is mswoodwork.squarespace.com, and I have a shop out in Valley, but I also have my house is in Benson, so I meet clients in Valley or Benson quite frequently.
Awesome. Thank you again for sitting down with us.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too.
Bye-bye.
See you later.